Lesson 11 Science Soil. Plains are flat, but hills and mountains are higher than plains. The meaning of plains is a large area of flat land with few trees. They are made of hard rocks. All rocks are made up of minerals. In fact, the whole earth is made up of rocks and minerals. Rocks are found in many shapes and colors. Slowly, rocks get broken into tiny particles of sand. Sand means wraith, which take the shape of soil. Let us see how it happens. Rocks break up. The most important agent that breaks the rocks is the sun. During the day, the rocks become very hot and expand, but at night they become cool and contract back to their size. Expansion and contraction of rocks surfaces causes them to crack and ultimately break up. During winter, water fills the cavities in rocks. Due to cold, it freezes and expands. As a result, the rocks break up into smaller pieces. Winds also play an important role in breaking up the rocks. They hurl smaller pieces of rock against bigger ones and wear them away. Rain too does a lot to break up the rocks. It carries rocks downhill and they break up into smaller pieces. When these pieces of rocks rub against each other, they further break into tiny particles, forming pebbles, gravels, and finally sand. Thus, the rocks break up into sand due to weather, sun, cold, rain, and wind. This breaking up of rocks is called weathering of rock. Sand and soil. Sand is barren as it cannot hold water. Also, it does not have any food for plant. The sand, when gets mixed with humus, takes the shape of soil. Humus is the remains of plants and animals present in the soil. Soil is not barren. Different plants can grow in it. Some soils are more fertile than others. So, soils have been named accordingly. Clay and loam are two chief kinds of soil. Clayey soil is used to make earthen pots. Loomy soil is best for growing plants.